Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to apply for YouTube monetization in 2024. Joining the YouTube Partner Program or YPP and becoming monetized is what all you YouTube creators dream of. Luckily, it only requires a few steps. Here's how to enable YouTube monetization. First, go to YouTube Creator Studio. Then tap Earn from the menu on the right side of the screen. Then click Get Started. Carefully read the YouTube monetization policies and set up a Google AdSense account. Then wait for the review process to be finalized. Before you decide to apply for YouTube channel monetization and join the YouTube Partner Program, you should first become accustomed to the YouTube community guidelines and YouTube channel monetization policies. Here are the main YouTube monetization rules and policies. First, eligibility for monetization. Advertiser-friendly content. Copyright and original content. AdSense account. And ad formats. Monetization comes with great responsibility. It's a commitment that you will stay on track in the long run and create the best content strategy possible for your YouTube channel. Here are 10 useful tips for monetization YouTube creators. First, create high-quality content consistently. Second, upload videos with subtitles. Third, perform SEO optimization on your video content. Fourth, use end screens and cards. Fifth, add video chapters. Six, customize your thumbnails. 7, create playlists. 8, schedule your videos. 9, cross-promote your videos on other social media channels. And 10, check your YouTube analytics. YouTube monetization is a way to make money from your YouTube channel by the number of views you gain. YouTube Premium subscriptions and by having ads roll before, after, or during your videos. With this feature enabled, you can gain revenue, ads, and clicks. To monetize a YouTube channel, creators must have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within past 12 months. YouTube offers a variety of ways for creators to monetize their videos beyond ads. These include affiliating marketing, super chat, super stickers, YouTube Shorts Fund, and more. Features like end screens, video chapters, customized thumbnails, playlists, and scheduling videos can enhance the viewer experience and increase engagement. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.